Hey everyone, I'm back with my inner carton. I've only got 2 left out of the 6. We're getting close to being done. Alright. Well, we don't need to waste time. We can get right to it. Number 5, Mega Box. We definitely have had some nice cards so far. Very happy, very impressed. Again, I keep repeating myself. But what can you say? You hope to be happy with something you buy. And want to have a good collection of. So, let's start opening our new Mega Box. This feels lighter here. We'll see. All right. First one, we got Liberty. Liberty. Number 5, Standing Liberty Quarter. This video might be darker than the others. We'll see how that goes, but that ring has been kind of annoying certain times, so trying something different. We got a dog with hat. 41. Ooh, we've got a parallel matrix holofoil in oil. Very nice. Number 57. We've got an Ethereum. Number 13. And an inverted Jenny. Number 11. First 5. Easy. Next pack. Pack number 2. RC Ramses, number 19. We got public occurrences, foreign and domestic, number 29. We've got a iced foil of Cornelius Vanderbilt, number 60. Shiny, very nice. We've got the most expensive purse again, number 48. And another Jack Dorsey, is that? Yes, number 55. Very nice. 2 packs down. Pack number 3. We've got a Monero, number 18. We've got a Harry Potter, number 63. We've got another Matrix Holofoil, nice. Of the public occurrences, very nice. Number 29. Ooh. Iced foil of this one. Very nice. That looks pretty good. I like it. Nice and shiny. And a Bitcoin. Ooh, that's the one short print. I don't have that one yet. That would have been great in a foil. But, nonetheless, I will take it. That's good. Alright, pack number 4. Maybe I should have the music playing or something. Is it too quiet? We've got a Bible. Is that some bend? No, unfortunately. That's a short print as well, number 14. Another Monero. Number 18. Matrix Holofoil Hot Wallet. Very nice, very nice. Number 39. That is Crypto Winter. Didn't remember that one. 27. purse. 48. Pack number 5. I've got the Pharaoh. That's not that card. Number 47. Steamboat Willie. RC. 24. There we go. You see the line straight through the middle though as well? Barely. Yeah, right there. Barely there, but a beautiful rainbow. Holofoil, Ethereum. Very nice. Number 2. Nice. I got the bear. The bear market. 23 short print. Very nice. And a Barksy Banksy. Number 43. Excellent. And let's go with pack number 6. This one, I believe, no, it's not. It's Vincent Van Gogh. It's not the short print. No problem. There's a Dogecoin. Number 66. Very nice. Got a rainbow holofoil. Public occurrences. Nice. We've got a Litecoin. Number 28. And a cold wallet. 39 short print. Pack number 7. We've got a ruby short print. Number 8. Got a Pablo Picasso RC. 37. Got another crypto winter in rainbow holofoil. Very nice. Number 27. Nice. Is that a? It is. Iced foil. Bull run? Bull market, rather. Bull market ice foil. Number 23. Very nice. Ronald Reagan RC. Number 4. Excellent, excellent. Last pack. Last pack of this box. Give me something good. Ooh, see, I don't like to give it away, but that little curve right there, you could feel it when you open the pack. We got another Monero. Number 18. Karma, what you doing? Got another public occurrences. Oh yeah, I don't want to show it yet. Number 29. That's your curved card right there. Very beautiful. That is going to be a numbered gemstone refractor. And I only have a few of these. Let's see. Semiconductor. Number 26. Number 2 out of 75. Which gemstone is this of 75? That is a garnet. That is a garnet. Very nice. So we have a garnet semiconductor. Number 2 of 75. I believe I've had a numbered gemstone refractor in every one of these boxes so far. Yeah, this is my fifth gemstone refractor and 5th box. So I have gotten one of these in every box in this inner carton, in every mega box. So That's great. These are really nice cards. I like that. Very happy with that. Very happy with that. Nice. Then we got another Rainbow Holofoil, Helen of Troy, RC. Very beautiful. Number 7. And last but not least, another Bitcoin. Is that a number 1 SP? It is. That would be really great in a foil, but it's not. It's not. But that's everything there. Very nice. Very nice. Garnet. Very nice Garnet. So far, my first one was a barrel. Then I got an opal. Then I got an emerald. Then I got a silver, right? Yeah. Barrel, opal, silver, emerald, and now a garnet. So that's looking good. Very good cards. Again, very happy with these. We have at least a few matrix holofoils and a few rainbow parallels. And everything's looking really good. So thanks for joining me again. See you on the next one.